Arrived at Michael's for their Easter decor. They have a sale going on, 40% off. Look at this section over here. I love this little sign, hop to the bunny trail. Look at this little truck. You can put like little eggs in it. Here they have another sign, hello spring. Every bunny welcome. Look at this cute little Easter basket here. Some more little things. Egg hunt, carrot patch, bunny crossing. Look at the little bunny on the bike. This is so cute with the bunny sticking out of the basket with the little carrot. All different things here. A little bunny tree. Some little bunny lights that light up. They also have some carrot ones as well. How fun. Then they have this Miss Bunny Flower Co. truck. I love that. That is so cute. And then more decorations, a little bunny hat. Some vases that are pink and blue. This cute little bunny pillow. Then look at these plates. Pink plaid with the bunny. They also have a blue one as well with the hydrangeas. They have this Happy Easter bunny sign. Hello Spring bunny. These really pretty iridescent bunnies. Comes in blue and pink, and then like this bigger bunny here. I feel like that can go with anything around the house. And then there's these little jars. Comes in pink and blue as well. And then look at these little garden boots, rain boots. And they have some flowers. Comes in pink, purple, blue, and yellow. And then more little bunnies on bikes. And then these straw bunnies are so adorable. Some more pillows. Another one looks so realistic. Then this little Easter sign with the Easter eggs. More bunnies. I love this little painting here. Perfect for springtime. More pillows. A little Easter sign. Spring flower market. This is a super cute sign with the bunnies with the little flower truck. And they have some more, I guess, like little napkin holders that you can put around your napkins. These are $8, like little hydrangeas. Some more signs, decor. I'm loving like these little green bunnies. This is Easter. More vases, the bunnies. Look at this cute little baking set with the bunny. Some pretty glasses. Another thing to just put food on. These pretty woven bunnies. They have these wreaths and then also some crosses with the flowers. Then they have like these Easter eggs here. They have these little Easter ornaments. It comes with different initials. They also have different patterns like with the bunny. And some floral patterns as well. You can hang them up on a tree. Here they have this cute little bunny wreath with the little eggs and the flowers. Here they have all different garlands. These beautiful carrot ones. Little bunnies, one with little pom-poms in the ears. Pretty eggs. A lot of different varieties to choose from. Look at these felt eggs. Then they have all these wreaths too. This is so cute with the bunny with like the straw. They have like this pretty pastel Easter egg one. This woven Easter egg with the different colors. Looks like it's been like tied with different yarn. Some floral wreaths. Then they have signs. He is risen. Happy Easter. An egg hunt to put into your yard. There are some doormats, a butterfly, hello, welcome, and a daisy. Look at all these cute plates. So cute. They have these honeycomb bunny pieces here that come in different colors, as well as these honeycomb eggs. Then they have some of these placemats. This has some flower and color, different things here. Word search. Here they have a table cover with polka dots. You can color your own table cover. Cute little things. Look at these bunnies. Backdrop, different flowers. Some little bunny tins here. Look at this fun garland. They have these Easter eggs with the little sparkles, different colors. So these are nice here. And look how cute this bunny plate is with the 3 bunnies. They have these little floral arrangements, salt and pepper bunnies. Let's do a brunch. A little egg stand, little bunny plate with the little bunny, some spreaders, bunny plates. Look how cute these napkin holders are with the little bunny ears. Pretty plaid napkins. More pretty napkin holders for springtime. Some cards with the little bunnies on them. This little wooden bunny, perfect to put food on. They have this bunny thing here. More little sets to put in your kitchen. They have these bigger tablecloths. Look at this bowl with the pretty flowers. Here they have just different little sticks you can put in like vases or centerpieces. Little bunny ears, Easter eggs and a carrot, bunny bait, a little bunny, more little straw bunnies. They also have some Easter baskets as well. This one here is priced at $9.99. Comes in pink and blue and also just the plain wood. And then here are some bigger ones. I really like these with the plaid interior. Perfect for spring. And look at this one with like the little carrot interior. This one's pretty with the different scallops. Here are some more baskets over on this section. And here they have some more baskets. This is cute with like a little unicorn, the shark, the bunny. This is really beautiful with like the different flowers and then the bunny with the eggs. So many to choose from. And then they have some different paper to wrap your baskets. This pink one, multicolored. This daisy one, this is really pretty. And then like this different color dot one. And then they also have just some other bags that come in like the polka dots. This blue sheer, then the daisies, and then just different colors as well. Here they have some Easter eggs that are on sale now for 50% off. Look at this sparkling gold Easter egg. They have like this beautiful pink one. It also comes in green and blue. Look at these fun carrot eggs. multicolored speckled eggs, these marbled eggs. These are really pretty with the glitter on them. Perfect for the springtime. Then there's also these ones that come in clear and it's like little Easter bunnies in different colors. And they also have like these larger Easter eggs here. And here are some other Easter eggs that are fun. These are cool, like a gem. Unicorn ones, a little spaceship. Here they have some peeps. It's 10 packs of sand. A glow one that comes in yellow and pink. And then here they have some dough packs with peep shaped molds. Some little chocolate scented peep plushies. They have these little bunny stuffed animals that are priced at $4.99. They also have like these little bubbles that are 99 cents as well. And then this is their $5 and under section. Have some pencils, little tellets, erasers. You can color your own bunny. Some bubbles, some pencil topper erasers, little crafts, a little bunny, a stamp kit with the bunny and chick. They have some light up bunny necklaces or egg necklaces, as well as these little glow sticks and some glow bracelets. Then they have these little bubbles here and it spins and does colors, as well as like these little glasses, and then more fun little sticks here that light up. Some Easter beads to make little crafts with. And then it comes in like a little egg and a bunny too, with pretty beads. Here's like a crown craft kit that you can make, a little mask, some beads. Here's like the little stained glass, another craft crown, headbands. Here are some little bead crafts. It comes in like a little bunny you can make, a chick, a dog with the little bunny ears, and a little cat. And then here are some more just stained glass crafts you can make. These are pretty, these little Easter eggs. And here are some more fun crafts. Look at this, it says Happy Easter. You can put like your Easter eggs in it. And here is like the basket that's been colored. Some little pom-pom crafts, a butterfly wind chime kit, a little weaving chick kit, some pretty stickers. This comes in like little flower trucks, bunnies, some Easter egg foam stickers, some little baskets. These are for like a party, it comes in 12. Some sticks with different characters. Looks like a little bunny pinata. And then here's another craft you can do. And then here are these fun little DIY pinata crafts. Make your own wreath with the Happy Easter and bunny. Some other little crafts here that you can put on different things. Comes with little hooks. And here's another bunny or little chick with little pom-poms. There's like a little DIY flower truck that you can color. They have some more crafts. You can color your own Easter eggs. There's like a little wooden thing. Here's like a little chick. And it lights up too. And like the little bunny. Some plastic Easter eggs. different ones here that you can color, other wood baskets. These are some canvases that you can do. Another little bunny canvas. Look at this cute little Miss Bunny truck. Then they have these plain bunnies, a little gnome that you can paint, these Easter eggs that light up, different sizes. They have some Easter baking ware. Look how cute this is with the little carrot, and it comes with different little cookie cutters. And they have like this cookie stamper kit. You get an egg and a bunny for $12.99. And then there's these little pastel eggs, some silicone baking cups. Look at the sprinkle mix. They also have a wide variety of different like pastel sprinkles. This is really pretty, the different blues. They have these little bunnies, perfect for like cupcakes or cookies. Some little roses. Carrots and bunnies, some little baking cups with little Easter eggs. This is really cute with these pastel measuring cups. And then these like cake bases that are very festive for Easter. They have the baking section, which is 30% off right now. They have these different little cookie cutters with the bunnies, eggs, and flowers, as well as these butterflies. Then they have these silicone candy molds that come in bunnies, chicks, as well as some Easter eggs. And then here you can make little like lollipops that are flowers, Easter eggs, more chick ones. And they also have like the little lollipop sticks as well. Here's like a little mini baking set with the chicken bunny, a silicone cake mold, little chick treat mold. They also have one that comes in a bunny mold, as well as flowers and Easter eggs. Then they have these non-stick square pans if you want to make any type of cake or cupcakes, and they are on the lighter weight side, which is nice, as well as like this little pie dish. And here they have some towels, hop to it, every bunny welcome. Comes with different patterns with the little bunnies, a little apron with the flowers, Mrs. Bunny Flower Co., and then with the little plaid prints. They have these ceramics that come in purple, pink, and white. And these other ones here, this would be cute for like a little mini cake or like a cupcake holder. These here, and then they have these pretty colors where you can put your Easter eggs after you decorate them. These little baskets, and this is right now for 30% off. And then here they have some more straw bunnies, as well as different animals, the little chicks, the bunnies in the cages, different ones here. Look at this little pig. These little bunnies here with the carrots, the cute little bunny in the cart. Look how cute this bunny sign is, and you can put like your little head through it. And they also have one with the chicks as well. So that was it for this Michael Shop With Me Easter video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe down below if you enjoyed watching and want to see other Shop With Me videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.